176 species in genus Muhlenbergia. Muhlenbergia, a love affair with the mully grasses. My name is Vu, and I have a confession to make. I'm utterly captivated by Muhlenbergia, the genus of grasses commonly known as the mullies. These plants belong to the Poaceae family. With their airy inflorescences and graceful habits, have completely stolen my heart. Their beauty is a subtle one, not shouting for attention but whispering promises of delicate textures and captivating movement. Perhaps it's their adaptability that I admire most. Mully grasses thrive in a variety of habitats, from arid deserts to moist meadows. They're tough, resilient, and possess an understated elegance that I find incredibly appealing. They seem to embody the spirit of resilience, thriving where other plants struggle. Or maybe it's the sheer diversity within the genus that fascinates me. Over 175 species of Muhlenbergia exist, each with its own unique characteristics. Some, like Muhlenbergia capillaris, paint the landscape with clouds of pink inflorescences in the fall. Others, like Muhlenbergia rigans, stand tall and erect, their rigid stems creating a striking architectural presence. A closer look at the mullies. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Why I advocate for mully grasses. My admiration for mully grasses extends beyond their aesthetic appeal. These plants are incredibly valuable in ecological restoration and sustainable landscaping. They're drought-tolerant, requiring minimal water once established, and they provide crucial habitat and food sources for wildlife. Mully grasses also play a vital role in soil conservation. Their extensive root systems help prevent erosion, and their dense growth habit can suppress weeds. In a world facing increasing environmental challenges, these grasses offer sustainable solutions for landscaping and land management. Mully grasses in the garden. Incorporating mully grasses into your garden is a rewarding endeavor. They provide multi-season interest, with their foliage offering texture and movement throughout the growing season and their inflorescences stealing the show in the fall. Whether you're looking to create a meadow-like planting, add a touch of whimsy to a border, or provide erosion control on a slope, there's a mully grass that's perfect for the job. Here are a few tips for growing mully grasses. Choose the right species. Consider your climate, soil conditions, and the desired size and appearance of the plant. Plant in full sun. Mully grasses thrive in sunny locations. Provide well-drained soil. While adaptable, mullies don't tolerate soggy conditions. Cut back in late winter or early spring. This encourages fresh growth and prevents the plants from becoming too woody. With minimal care, mully grasses will reward you with years of beauty and ecological benefits. A continuing fascination. My journey with Muhlenbergia is an ongoing one. I'm constantly learning more about these fascinating plants, discovering new species, and exploring their potential in different landscape settings. I encourage you to join me in appreciating the understated beauty and ecological value of mully grasses. They're a gift to the gardener and the environment, offering a unique blend of resilience, adaptability, and captivating charm.